guys, and welcome to SEDDY'S world. Today I'm going to be doing a meal prep for 2 weeks. I'm going to show you guys what I eat to stay healthy and try to lose weight. I'm trying to lose weight and it's a journey and I don't want to put pressure on myself. In the morning, first thing, I take tea. I take some green tea with lemon and I have my water bottles. I infuse them with cucumber and lemon. I make sure I take that every morning, and 30 minutes after, I have my shake. I take a shake. I'm using the Juice Plus Complete. Basically, Juice Plus is a highly recommended brand if you want to lose weight, and I'm using the Juice Plus shake. That's Juice Plus. Those are the berry, the capsules. You have the booster, Juice Plus booster. First, I start with the Juice Plus booster every morning, and there you have it. That's the vanilla powder shake. It's very delicious. The flavor is so powerful. Those are the berry capsules I take. I try to use foods that are not very high in sugar content. I use my berries, I use cucumbers, I use parsley, and I use soya bean milk, the unsweetened version of it with no sugars. That's what I have for breakfast every day. It's very easy. Basically, I just put my berries into my blender. There you have it. I have cucumbers, I have strawberries there, berries, raspberries, and now I'm going to add in my capsules. I take 2 berry capsules a day. These are full with a lot of multivitamins. There you have it. And I'm going to put some grains. But before that, you have to take your booster. A sachet of booster into half a glass of water. I'm going to do that later. And you have soy milk for the shake. To start, I'm going to just pour half a glass of water into the booster powder. The booster always comes in a sachet. I'm going to stir that and drink it. And 30 minutes after, I'm going to have my shake. That I always just make my shake and keep. I have my berry blend, my cucumbers, and I'm going to pour in the capsules with some seeds. I have a couple of seeds there, chia seeds to be precise. And there you have my powder, Juice Plus vanilla shake powder. It comes with that measuring spoon. For every shake you use one of that spoon. I put that together, and I'm going to be adding half a cup of soya bean milk. This milk is very delicious. It's unsweetened, so natural. The outgrown version of it. 2 cups of that. Depending on the fruit choice, or fruit have a lot of flavor, but I want a lot of weight today, so I'm using 2 half cups of it. That's 1 cup of that, and I'm going to just blend this together. I'm going to blend that to a smoothie. I want it to be really fine and smooth. There you have it. I can either just close my bottle and drink it. If I'm at home, I drink like this, or you just put a straw into that and drink. And if I'm going out, I'm just going to put it into this bottle. This bottle I always put my shakes in. It's easy to carry along and it's so easy to drink. It just has a cap. I'm going to drink it. It's easy to carry. Keeps my smoothie fresh. That's if I'm going to work. I always use this bottle because most of the time I don't have time to drink it at home. So I basically drink it on my way to work. And at work, on days that I'm working, I take a fruit parfait to work. It's basically Greek yogurt, a fruit. Today I'm using kiwi. Other days I can use other fruits. And I just have my grains and coconut shavings. I put that together. And there you have it. I put that in my work bag if I'm going to work. That's what I'll eat on break. I don't want to eat a chocolate bar. I don't want to eat chips or anything unhealthy. It's a journey, it's a procedure. Sometimes I can fall and I can put that in that container. It's easy for me to carry to work. And I have my teaspoon that I know I am sure to go. I'm ready. It will help me not to cheat, but when I don't take food to work, the healthy snack to work, I'm forced to cheat. Healthy choice is a journey. I'll fail, I'll fall, I'll wake up, and I'll continue. And for my lunch, I'm going to have this. I just have some stir-fried veggies and some air-fried chicken. I basically boil my chicken, seasoned chicken, and I'm going to put that in an air fryer because I want to have that roasted effect. And I just have some boiled bulgur wheat by the side. This is also very healthy, and I need the carbs in my body, but I need to portion control, so I just have a little portion and more of my vegetables. Look at that, so delicious. Honestly, I don't have that urge to eat rice when I eat this. This thing makes you too full. So basically, on days that I'm not working, I put the food parfait away and I have just this. And on days that I am working, I have the parfait for lunch. That's a fruit parfait at work. And I have this when I come back in the evening for dinner because I work basically during the day. I have this for dinner. But if I am working, parfait for lunch, this for dinner. If I'm not working, I'll have that for lunch and a salad for dinner. This is all I need to make my salad for dinner. I have a cucumber, lettuce, avocado, bell pepper, tomato, and carrots. And I also have some lemon to drizzle on my salad. There you have it. And I have my salad cream. My salad cream is not made of mayonnaise. It's made of coconut milk. I just basically use coconut milk. It's a very healthy option if you want to lose weight. If you have that urge to eat mayonnaise and you can't control it, try coconut milk. Use your coconut milk, add all the dressing you use for your mayonnaise to make your salad dressing, and it's very delicious. It's like eating coconut in salad. I always make it for a week and put in this container. For video purposes, that's the quantity I'll be using for this plate of salad. This is a large plate of salad. I'll be having that for dinner with my husband. And I'm just going to sprinkle some seeds on that. Very healthy. I have some small egg. Also going to pour my coconut. Look at that. I don't even have the feeling of missing mayonnaise. And this is so healthy. So tasty, so healthy. Yeah, and that's dinner. Perfect, so healthy. That's how I meal prep for myself. This will take me for a week completely, and I'm sure to have all the ingredients and the nutrients and the minerals I need for this. And over to meal prep for my family. I have stew, I have arrow, I have some air fried fish, I have some cookie corn, I have beans. Look at that. I just made some stew, and for the stew, I know we'll be eating that with rice, potatoes, pasta. We can eat stew with so many things. I'm going to just put that aside in the deep freezer. So when I come back from work and I'm too tired, I'll just boil rice or spaghetti. This is also going to help me stay on track with my diet, because when I come back and there's no food at home, I'm forced to start cooking. And when I'm cooking, or be forced to eat the food, when I meal prep for the rest of the family, I just avoid whatever they are eating. I have beans. I can also have that with rice, plantain, potato, puff puff. You can have bread. You can have beans with so many things. It's also very healthy and it's a source of protein for my family. And I have some air fried fish. I just make the fish like that, put it in the deep freezer, and we can eat it with so many different things. But in this house, we don't like eating pecan without protein on the side. Funny, so funny, so we always just eating fish with some cow skin sauce. We just like eating cooking corn and cake, always with protein by the side of this house. So I make it for them. Then you have the cooking corn. It's basically a corn made that in a baking sheet. But I don't want to use plastic. Plastic is not good. When you cook with plastic, it's very poisonous to the body. So I put the paste in a baking sheet and wrapped it with foil paper, and I cooked for an hour. And then you have a cooking corn. I also have arrow. I have about 5 liters of arrow. All of this is going to the freezer. You can eat the arrow wonderful. You can eat it with curry, whatever swallow of your choice. So this is basically a 2-week meal prep for my family. On some days, I may have to throw in some frozen pizza into the oven for dinner for my kids. Other days when I have time, I can make a salad for them or something else for them. But it's very easy for us to learn to meal prep for the family, especially when you're working and you have a lot of commitments and you're trying to lose weight. This is helping me and I'm seeing results. I'm so happy with myself for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment, like my videos. This is going to encourage me to create more content. Love you guys. Bye.